We are introduce highlight features or overview summary of WANLIPO A13 Dual Dash Cam, 4K Dual Channel Dash Cam, consists of the following features. 4K plus 1080p Dual Recording Dash Cam, front and rear. The WANLIPO A13 front and rear dash cam captures crystal clear footage in Ultra HD 4K, 3840 x 2160p, for the front and Full HD 1080p for the rear. This ensures that essential details, such as road signs and license plates, are easily visible. With a 170 degrees wide-angle front lens and a 120 degrees rear lens, the dual dash cam minimizes blind spots, providing full coverage to preserve critical evidence during incidents such as collisions. 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Smart App Control. Easily connect the A13 front and rear dash cam to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and control everything through the AEGER app. Compatible with both iOS and Android, this dash cam allows you to view, playback, and download recordings seamlessly. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, enjoy fast video transfers from the dual dash cam. The app also enables one-click sharing of your footage, making it perfect for reliving and sharing memorable drives. Loop recording and 64GB SD card. The WANLIPO A13 front and rear dash cam features intelligent loop recording, ensuring you never miss a moment, as it automatically overwrites the oldest files when storage is full. This dual dash cam comes with a 64GB SD card, allowing you to start recording immediately and continuously without worrying about running out of space. Equipped with a premium f1.5 aperture and a 6-layer optical lens, this dash cam's WDR technology enhances clarity in low-light conditions. Built-in G-sensor. The 4K dash cam is equipped with a high-performance G-sensor, designed to detect collisions or abrupt events, and optimized to detect even minor impacts. When the G-sensor detects an impact, the dash cam automatically locks the relevant footage, ensuring that critical recordings are not overwritten during loop recording. This feature provides reliable protection by preserving essential video evidence in the event of an accident, making it an essential safeguard for driving. Parking surveillance. The front and rear dash cam is equipped with advanced low-light capture technology, ensuring clear footage in dark conditions for improved safety. Its parking surveillance mode automatically activates recording when any vibrations or impacts are detected, offering protection for your vehicle. Whether parked or in motion, this dash cam captures crucial moments, safeguarding your vehicle against potential incidents and ensuring it is always secure. Compact and easy to install. The front and rear dash cam features a sleek, compact design that simplifies installation. Its small size allows for discreet mounting behind your rearview mirror, ensuring an unobstructed view while driving for a seamless and comfortable experience. With a 2.0 IPS screen, the dash cam provides sharp, clear visuals, allowing you to effortlessly navigate settings and view recordings. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.